for those of you who don't know, this is the Instaloc, and this is what I used to use when I had locks to interlock my hair. I used it on a very regular basis and maintained my hair, my locks, for over 11 years with this method, using this tool. But when I did the Faux Locs installation, I discovered a new use for the tool. And it was something that had not occurred to me before, but it made installing the Faux Locs so simple and easy that I thought I would share it with you guys as well. So I'm going to show you real quick how to use it for installing Faux Locs and crochet braids. So this is one little braid that I have left out. And so I'm going to show you how to use it with that. So this would be your faux lock, right? Or your braid or your crochet braid, whatever that you plan to use. And then you have your hair that's braided, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed the tip of the Instaloc through the center of that braid, like so. And then I'm going to stick the end of the faux lock in between the eye of the needle of the Instaloc. Then I'm going to pull it through like that. Okay. And so now that I have the faux lock fed through this braid, I'm going to come back, and usually like the faux locs or the crochet braids usually have a little loop-de-loop, a little loop at the tip. You see where my finger is feeding through? That's the little loop that all crochet braids and faux locs have, so that it makes it easier for you to install it. A lot of times people will cornrow their hair and then they'll use this and kind of weave it through, but I'm doing it on individual braids. So you take your finger and you open up that hole if it's a little too tight when you first get them. These are old, so I'm kind of reusing this one, so the hole is a little bit bigger. But you feed the eye of the needle of the Instaloc back through that hole, and then you take your braid. I'm sorry, you take the tip. I'm going to take the tip of the faux lock and feed it through that eye. And then I'm going to pull the end through that hole. Once it comes out the other side, I'll just drop the Instaloc and I'll take it and I'll continue to feed it so that it becomes secure at the root, at the base of the braid. So now it is connected to this braid. Can you see that? It's connected to the braid, so it's secure, right? It's not going to come out. So that's the next step. The last step is now I want to hide this braid.